In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money by just solving CAPTCHAs. It's really easy. Now keep in mind that I just go straight to the point and I do not waste your time. So don't expect a long video on my channel ever. It's just gonna be short videos. But anyways, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. So what are CAPTCHAs, right? In case you want to deny that you don't know what CAPTCHAs are, this is a CAPTCHA. I could swear on my life that you have seen this before. I am not a robot. Fill this, blah blah blah. Fix this, locate the animal. You know, these are all CAPTCHAs. So how do we make money from solving this? The first thing you want to do is go to 2captcha.com. 2captcha.com is really easy and simple. You could earn from $1 for solving, you know, these amount of CAPTCHAs, and it's really easy. It's straightforward. You could earn just $1 or an euro. It depends on where you are. Keep in mind, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 more sites that are higher than this one, but yeah, it's really easy. As you guys can see, the average CAPTCHA solving speed is 10 seconds. So it's really easy. Like, there's not much to talk about here on this site. So the second site you guys want to look at, which is technically, you know, it's kind of better than 2captcha in terms of payment, is called Mega Typers. Mega Typers, it's kind of higher than 2captcha because they can pay you from like $1.50 for, you know, solving CAPTCHAs. And this one is really easy to and straightforward. Like I told you, I did not waste your time on my channel. I just give you the information and you can go to work, right? So it's basically simple. Sign up and you can start working right away. As you guys can see, it says it's for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, people in between jobs. Basically, these kind of things are for people that, you know, have free time. So I know all of you have free time that are watching this video, but yeah, Mega Typers is really easy. The third one is probably the best site, and it's called colotibalo.com. So straightforward again, stable job for everyone, everywhere, right? This is the reason why you should use them. They have been working since 2007, which is crazy. They have been paying their clients. So this is not a fake site or anything. They're really accurate. And this is my favorite site because they instantly pay you. They instantly pay. And these are testimonies that people did, testimonials that, you know, people said that it really works, blah blah blah, stuff like that, which is really cool to see that there are evidence that it really works. And like I said, instant payment. They don't have any minimum or whatever fee. You just get your money instantly, and they pay you through PayPal, Bitcoin, you name it, any single like payment method that you want. So yeah, if you've been seeing all these annoying CAPTCHAs when you're trying to do something on some site, well, these 3 sites are opportunities for you to, you know, make money from just solving them. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Like I said, I go straight to the point in my videos and I did not waste your time. So if you like that and you want more ways to make money, keep on watching my channel by subscribing and like this video if you enjoyed it. And with that being said, I will catch you guys on another one.